The Bambu Lab H2D is not just a 3D printer. It's an all-in-one fabrication powerhouse. Combining multi-material 3D printing, laser engraving, digital cutting, and AI-powered precision, the H2D is a revolutionary step forward for makers, engineers, and businesses alike. With its massive 350 by 320 by 325 millimeter print volume, dual nozzle setup, and smart automation features, this printer is designed for efficiency, accuracy, and high-performance material handling. One of the standout features of the Bambu Lab H2D is its dual nozzle system, which allows users to print using multiple materials in the same project. One nozzle can use dissolvable or breakaway support materials, making post-processing effortless. Minimize purging and reloading, leading to more efficient and eco-friendly printing. The precision-engineered nozzles ensure accurate layering, even for intricate designs. With a 350 degrees Celsius nozzle and an actively heated 65 degrees Celsius chamber, the H2D can handle high-performance materials like PEEK, PEI, and carbon fiber reinforced filaments with ease. Beyond 3D printing, the H2D also functions as a powerful laser engraver and cutter. With optional 10 watts and 40 watts 455 nanometer laser modules, you can engrave on a variety of materials like wood, acrylic, leather, and even some metals. Perform high-precision cutting for prototyping and craft projects. Enhance workflow with digital cutting and pen drawing for artistic and engineering applications. The bird's eye camera ensures 0.3 millimeter top view alignment accuracy, allowing for precise placement of designs and cuts. The H2D is equipped with a vision-based AI system that automates and optimizes the printing process. Key features include auto arrangement, uses real-time images from the bird's eye camera to maximize material efficiency and reduce waste. Pre-flight checklist. Before each print, the AI performs chamber integrity scan for debris detection, hardware configuration audit to verify nozzle and build plate properties, digital physical alignment for slicer and hardware consistency. Nozzle macro camera continuously monitors extrusion, detects filament inconsistencies, and prevents failures in real time. These features make the H2D smarter, more reliable, and nearly autonomous, reducing the risk of failed prints and wasted material. The H2D's motion system is one of the most advanced in the industry, featuring 5 micrometer resolution optical motion calibration, ensures unparalleled precision across the entire workspace. Closed-loop servo extruder maintains consistent extrusion with real-time torque adjustments. DynaSense extruder uses 20 kHz position sampling to dynamically regulate extrusion, detect clogs, and ensure perfect flow. Vision encoder plate achieves 50 micrometers motion accuracy, making it one of the most precise consumer-grade 3D printers available. With these innovations, the H2D delivers flawless print quality, even for highly detailed models and functional parts. Bambu Lab has also prioritized safety and usability by incorporating laser safety windows, allow safe monitoring of laser operations without goggles. Air assist directs high-speed air to cool the laser path, ensuring cleaner cuts and engravings. Contactless 3D mesh. Scanning uses optical height measurement for perfect laser alignment, even on curved surfaces. These features make the H2D ideal for both professional and home workshops, ensuring a safer and more efficient fabrication experience. The Bambu Lab H2D is a true game changer in 3D printing and fabrication. With its dual nozzle system, AI-powered automation, laser engraving, and high-precision motion control, it outperforms most competitors in its class. Whether you're an engineer, designer, artist, or small business owner, this multifunctional powerhouse is one of the best investments you can make for your creative workflow.